There we go.
All right, there we go.
All right. We good
Apparently, I
now.
blew all my Apex accounts.
All of them?
Yeah. Well, I had three, but one of them was that stupid wealth charts or
Oh, the
some
wealth
shit.
chart.
Yeah. So
They do
I
that
just
on purpose. They put wealth chart
I
number
know
one.
I know. I bet you everybody fucking does that.
Yep. Everybody pick, and then they're like, oh, you can't get a refund. Man, y'all know what y'all doing. Don't nobody want no wealth chart.
Right? So that's basically it was a blown how much fucking dollars it was, whatever. But Bolonex seems to be my best and take profits okay.
Yeah. I like Bullinox. Now for new traders, Lilu is really got my attention because you could buy a group of evals instead of one. You for the same price that you will pay for one eval, you could buy a group of five, and you just have to pass one of the five.
Yeah, you keep saying that, but I can't
Yeah,
figure it out. Like I think B says the same thing. It's like there's so many different options.
yeah.
Maybe you can do a
It's
short
literally
little
called
video on it or
bundle.
something.
It's literally called the bundle. Just pick the one that says bundle.
Yeah, I
Well, I'll
like
say
Lulu.
Bumble.
What is when they all say bundle is a 25K, a 50K, a 100K bundle. There, or you could get individual ones, but they normally send an email and like discount on the bundles, and they'll. That's why I like them because you could get five. You could throw Hail Marys on two of them, and if it don't work, you could take your time with the other three.
All right.
Like you just got to pass one of them.
Maybe I'll do that next time.
Yeah, so I
And the
think that's
straight to profit. The
But I bought a bunch of those Bullocks because it was 15.95
oh
at the time.
yeah, and Bullinox they renew at that same discounted rate. They don't
Right.
they're not like
Exactly.
Apex where it charges you a 50% instead of 90 or whatever.
Right.
And Apex just started doing that goofy stuff.
Right. I charge like
Good
nothing.
morning, Sensei.
Good, what's going on? How you doing?
I'm all right.
I'm just marking up the day, the daily, the high and the low on the daily, because there's no real other levels that I see on the daily that I would be concerned about. So that's all I'm doing, marking up the high and the low on NQ daily.
Mm.
We go down to the 4 hour. I don't think a lot changed on the 4 hour.
Man, that gap sucked, man.
Which
Hey,
gap?
The 1 hour, it just
Will,
just went right to it.
look here. No.
Hold on, it was chopping in and out. Say that again.
Oh, I wanted to ask on my chart. After I put my indicators up, I get the text up top. How do I get rid of that?
Oh, the words up here? Like you talking about the
You know,
words up here?
yeah.
Oh yeah, you go to
Right.
indicators, you pull up your indicators, and the indicators
Uh-huh.
down here, you just delete where it says label,
Yeah.
whatever's in label, just delete that. And you gotta go to each
Okay.
one and delete where it says
Okay.
label. Yep.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, because they get on my nerves. I was like, what are all these words up here?
Mine doesn't say
I'm
name.
so
And I
happy
could
you
figure
asked
it
that.
out, man.
That's what used to get on my nerves.
I'm so happy he asked that because I've been meaning to ask you that, but I kept forgetting.
Yeah, that's how you get rid of the words.
Yeah, because the more indicators you have, the worse it gets.
Yeah, that's like one of the first things I found out. I was like, man, how I get rid of that? That's irritating. All right, there's really no new levels on the 4 hour that I see because
It's even worse.
the market's so
Go ahead.
high,
I'm
it's just
sorry.
been chilling. The market's so high, it hasn't really been any big movements.
I don't know if you're interested in trading, but you seem to be somewhat knowledgeable. Sorry, that was not for you guys.
I figured that. I was like, what's going on there?
Hey, did you see that chart yesterday about Iran's currency?
What happened?
It went straight to zero.
What went straight to zero?
Iran, their dollar.
It
Damn,
went to zero? What?
Yeah,
that sounds
Oh
painful.
Lord.
America
Not
be
down to
playing us
zero.
next.
Oh, I wish I would trade in Forex.
Hey, mentor, everyone.
Morning, good morning.
Mhm.
862.
Good morning.
Hey, beautiful.
2.25.
Hey, beautiful.
All right. Yeah,
What's
that's
good,
horrible.
Vita the GOAT?
They money done went to zero. Man, how does that even happen?
Zeke,
Trump did
I really, Zeke, I gotta send you. I
Blame
gotta
on
send
Trump.
Zeke. I gotta send you what I made yesterday.
For sure. That's why you the GOAT.
Need to be paying attention to them damn kids. You over there trading.
Hey.
They tested. They ain't worried about me.
The kids are our future.
Say
We're
that.
gonna get rid of this gap. This is no longer, the gap is played out.
But yeah, on that Iran currency, their dollar went to zero, and then everybody invested in Bitcoin or instantly made like millionaires over there because it jumped up to like 100,000 from
Oh,
90.
Bitcoin did?
Yeah, yesterday.
Oh, that mean I made some money too. Yeah, buddy. I don't even look at my Bitcoin at all.
I got a small piece of it.
I got
A small portion.
pieces.
Why you sound like Professor Clump just now?
Okay. Oh yeah. My Bitcoin is definitely looking nice. It's at 95 right now. Oh yeah. I've been buying Bitcoin since 2014, 2015.
Early adopter.
I just buy a little bit here and there, and I get a little bread. Throw a little bit more in there, and I just be buying it. I do sell it a little bit. Like if when it shoots it like, oh, it's an all-time high, I'll shave a little bit off the top. That way I'm making sure I'm just playing with the house money and not my own money.
Fair.
Yep. So every time it drops down, I buy some. Every time it hits an all-time high, I shave a little bit off the top, get my money back. Yeah, it's not really a lot of levels. Get rid of this one because that has been used up. This level, yeah, that's been used up. That's not a level right there. This is the only level. Yeah, it's really not a lot on the 1 hour to mark off. And that's why we have different indicators, because a lot of times you might not see anymore too many triple threats or too many gaps. So when you don't see anything, you have your indicators that you can rely on to find levels as well. Because we got the LIS way up here, the market down here, the LIS way up here. So the market closed up here yesterday, and overnight it just was like just plummeted. Actually, the past hour, 6 o'clock, 5, 6 o'clock, it just gave up.
You can kind of take the 805 to the 834 if you want to count the mid to the last swing low. If you want to count the gap
On
there.
the 1 hour.
Yeah.
Oh, you know this swing low down here?
No, up. So closer to S1.
Oh, this one.
Mm-hmm.
That swing, yeah.
So and then go from there and then go up to 25834.75. You can kind of count that because it's just been bouncing up and top and down.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because the top of that's right where the weekly mid right now is. So from the top to the bottom, that's literally where the midline is.
Okay.
I'm not gonna get my move today, I don't think.
Yeah, right now it's just been bouncing off this little area right here.
And we just had the news and we got the speaker right now.
Yeah.
Earnings call.
Let's see. There's everything on there. There's nothing really. Okay. It goes to 844. Yeah, right now it's just been playing off that VWAP. It went a little bit above it, then it couldn't stay there because the news pushed it back down.
Yep.
back below the S1, which is good. It needs to go down. That's why the market hasn't really been doing any real good moves, because gold and NQ are both pretty much at close to all-time highs.
All-time highs.
Gold was past all-time high, but when this up this high it really starts to slow down. I need me some big drops. They both need to go down. Damn, already? Already.
Ooh, that was loud in my ear.
Let's go.
Order filled.
That's loud in my ear. Yeah, me too. My ear too. Let me turn that down. I was like, was not expecting that. Not this early.
It's good though. I'm in it. It sounds good to me.
NQ did 100 contracts on a short on NQ. Good Lord.
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah, I was in.
Got him.
Look at it going down.
Eat, baby, eat.
Hey, when you see stuff like that, I just jump in sometimes. Like,
Look here, man. Get soup. Go on and eat some of that.
yeah, you want to do 100 contracts short? I'm taking it. It may not be for a long time, but you'll snatch up something off of that. That's crazy. 100 contracts before the market open? What's going on?
I paid my rent for today.
Yeah,
I was late on the short, but I got the bounce.
Yeah, it dipped a little bit below that EMA and came right back up, because EMA is still strong no matter how many contracts they do. EMA is EMA. That's still a strong level. So yeah, it wicked down a little bit and it was like, all right, go back up. But yeah, that if you would have jumped in right when that 100 popped up, you could have made about a good 100, 200.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hey.
Order filled.
Hey, Will, did your books come in yet?
The books?
Yeah.
Oh no, they're on my phone.
Okay, never mind.
I got those right as soon as you said them. I went ahead and got those books.
Target filled.
Wow.
I hope you took that GC short. I hope that's what that was. That GC short right here.
Yep.
All right, cool. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good short right there. I was looking at it. I just didn't click the button. Yeah, let me mark. I haven't even marked up GC anyway. Let me mark up GC real quick. There's really nothing new on here either. Yeah, gold hasn't even came back down to this little gap area right here. It tried to come down there and it didn't even touch it. So yeah, gold is like, I'm at the all-time high and I'm gonna stay up here for a little bit. It's being real hard-headed. But I don't like to be like, oh, gold's about to drop. I don't know if it's gonna drop. I need a reason. You know what I'm saying? Just because it's high don't mean it's coming down. Yes, right now the reason is it's struggling at this level right here, because you got the divergence popped up here, and then you got a swing high, and so gold for the past couple hours, gold has just been chilling between the all-time the high and the that divergence level, and it hasn't really dropped anywhere below R1 either. At least hasn't closed on the 1 hour below R1. But yeah, gold is so high right now, I wouldn't even try to look for a short. Now, if gold decided to hit the R2, that's the only time I would say, okay, that's a good short. But right now, I would like for it to come down and then buy it back up. I wouldn't really look for a short trade. Not saying you can't make money on a short. It's just I'm more likely to let it pull back and buy it higher until it gives me a reason to continue short. And the only reason I see to continue short is if it closes within this gap down here. I think it's going to keep going down. But you still got the LI, you got the central pivot right here. You got the LIS and a 1 hour level right here. Then you still got this gap, this gap down here and the S1. So you got a lot before gold could just shoot straight through there unless some news push it down there. But unless some crazy news happens, I don't really see it just pushing down with no resistance at all. Or support, not resistance, but supporting. Because there's a lot of levels of support. And you see there's a 1 hour swing low sitting right on top of a 4-hour gap. So yeah, it needs some strength to just blow through all that. But once again, that's why gold. You see, gold has just been chilling in this zone for the past couple hours. Actually, yeah, way longer than that. It's just been in this little area right here. So there's a couple things I look at before I determine where it's gonna go. But right now, I would just like for it to pull back the central pivot, go higher. You know what I'm saying, pull back to the the LIS, go up. You know, just take little buys off of these areas on the way down.
Sensei, on these EMAs, do they have numbers attached to them, like 50 EMA, 20?
Not really, because they're part of the VWAP. But if you double click on the line, it'll pull them up right here.
You stinking rascal.
Where is it at? Right here. So right here, it'll have them all the VWAP lines.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Yep. All right, we're on the 1 hour. There's really nothing crazy on the 1 hour. Got a gap right here.
Get out of it. Go. Get up there.
851. What are you trading?
The EMA. You close above
it. Trade the EMA.
Yeah, we go.
Hey.
I got a triple threat right there. Confluence. I'm getting that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Told you I'm hungry, man. I'm hungry.
13.7.
There it goes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Lord.
All right, so I found a little gap on gold. Little gap on gold right here. I mean, we're still a good ways from it, so we're not close to it, but I see it there.
Order filled.
Was it high? 47.6. 47.6.
Order filled.
What is this, Tyler Creator? I need something a little more relaxing than this. Because if I listen to hip hop while I'm trading today, I'm gonna be taking some stupid trades just because.
Order filled.
You ever listen to Thundercats?
Oh, Thundercat? Yeah, I listen to Thundercat.
Wait a minute. Okay, I'm old. The Thundercats I know about was a cartoon.
No, not the cartoon. No, Thundercat. He's pretty dope.
Okay.
I think my Lionel, Chitara, Panther, all them people.
Thundercats. Oh.
I grew
wow.
up.
Yeah, I like Thundercat. No, he's an awesome artist. his Dragon Ball Z do-rag, that had me cracking up. I was like, I want one of those.
Was it spelled as is or spelled different? How's it spelled? Thundercat as is or some other way?
Oh, that's a good question. Hold on.
Yeah, I don't know. Look that up.
It's Thundercat, like Thunda.
Okay.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, I introduced my son to One Punch.
Okay.
He was like, "Is he the strongest man? He only punches one time?" I said, "Well, it's called One Punch."
So there's the
He
artist.
can't be Goku. I handle it.
I don't know if he get one punch. You got to hit him first.
Hey,
The artist called One Punch.
Yeah, it's a cartoon. It's an anime cartoon.
Oh,
what was that?
Gold.
Well, I ain't doing gold.
Oh, that was a 70 contract buy on gold. All right, gold. It's 8:54. We got a while before the market opens.
Wanting to come on down to
This yellow line right here is an old level from back here, but the market is still abiding by that level pretty good. But I'm gonna get rid of it because I don't want to be confused. But it's still pretty strong level. But I'll just use the VWAP because that's current.
What do the letters mean on the TNS? Like the green H is.
Oh, high. H is high. If they put a order in at the high, you'll see L, meaning they put in the order at the low, and B is just like a bigger trade.
Okay.
So B is big trade, you say?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
But when you see the H's and the L's, that means they put in the trade at the high or at the low.
Mm-hmm.
On the last live, you were talking about that show, Industry, and I started watching it. And I got to the point where she did that trade.
Which one?
Where it went negative on her. She was up like 25K.
You talking about season 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like cracking up.
4 seasons. I mean, that show is pretty cool. Like just seeing like institutional traders.
Yeah, I watched 2 episodes of it myself last night. First season.
It's pretty good.
So that black girl, she's gonna succeed?
Well, I can't give you all the information.
What's the name of the show?
Industry.
Like
it's interesting. I think I'm on the last season now. Season 4, I think now.
Make sure your kids is not in the room when that song playing.
What's the
baby off the chain?
What's the stream? HBO, Netflix? What's it on?
What HBO? Talking about Industry?
Yeah.
Yeah, HBO.
All right, I'm gonna check it out, man.
Yeah, Industry got a lot of crazy scenes on it. But it's just hearing them talk about like the market and trades and shorts and longs. I'm like, that's so cool. But man, that thing seemed like it's high stress.
Hey, man.
We don't stress in this market. I just see a trade, take a trade.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh man. True.
You watch Thundercats.
Do about Thundercats? The cartoon?
Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, I'm an 80s baby. I grew up on that. I just go.
I'm taking this.
Yeah, I got 80 baby kids, so I had to watch it.
Listen, man. Thundercats, Voltron with the cars and the lion.
Voltron.
Yes, sir. Listen,
Man.
Let me say, when I was 4, right? 4. That was my show, right? I got a Voltron for Christmas. My grandmother. It was the cars. Man, I crashed out.
Voltron ain't nothing but a copycat to Gigantor.
To who?
Gigantor.
Gigantor.
See, now you feel like I feel.
See, same thing like Power Rangers. Power Rangers is just a copy of.
Oh no, I can't stand Power Rangers.
It's just a copy of Voltron.
Y'all don't be talking about Power Rangers.
Is that a 90s baby talking?
We get a nerd, bro.
Yes, it's a 90s baby.
Yeah, you really telling your age with Gigantor.
I'm from Brooklyn now. Watch it.
Wasn't that in a movie, New Jack City? Gigantor.
Not Gigantor.
Have you ever played the Power Rangers fighting game on PlayStation?
Yeah, Joshua has it.
Yep.
Yeah,
Joshua has a Power Rangers game.
It's so fun. I was playing that the other day.
That's why I like going to these old arcades that pop up around Orlando.
A little old back in the day arcade. Well, I used to spend all my time in arcade as a kid, boy. Man, kids just don't know.
That's Pharmaceutical.
Oh, what it
Yes,
is.
they're
Manny, remember Dad used to get
huge
us
in
all the
my area.
PlayStation games?
Yeah.
Japan got some of the best arcades, hands down. Though.
I bet.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah, we plan on going to Japan.
Street Fighter Turbo. That's why I stopped playing games. That's my last game I played. Street Fighter Turbo. That was my shit. The game was like 15 years straight. For real, for me at least.
Yeah, we taking Joshua to Japan.
There it goes.
Last arcade I played was Centipede, and Pac-Man.
Galactica, man. How about the Galactica?
Oh yeah, Galactic. Yeah, I like that one too. That worked.
Okay, look at that.
Still play that game.
GC says 100% chance of a short, and it's right there at the EMA.
But it was just 100% long, so it's like
Yeah, and
what?
it went up to the EMA, and then the new candle popped up. So now it says short, and look at it, it's going down. Is that EMA? Once it got to that EMA right here, it was like, hey, all right, 100% chance of a short now.
I don't have the EMA one. Let me turn it on.
That's the VWAP. That's a VWAP level. Look at that, smooth. You got the VWAP level right there, and 100% chance of a short. Take it.
What do you have the EMA set to? 14 or higher?
Say that again.
The EMA, do you have it set at 14 or do you have it set at 21?
Whatever comes with the VWAP.
Gotcha.
I don't adjust any settings on the VWAP.
Thank you.
What's Taylor's website? Code Solutions?
Yeah, Ninja Code Solutions.
Ninja Code Solutions. That's why I want to come up. Okay. He said he was going to give me that discount on that price. What you just called
Price
out.
predictor?
Yeah. Because my card didn't go through last time, so he gave me a new code.
Okay, cool.
Hello.
So he'll let you get it for the Christmas special with that extra 20%.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, Mr. H.
Yes.
Scott's not here. He has to work, but I know you were talking to him about like the 3-tap entry.
Oh yeah.
If you could show that, at least it's recorded.
Yeah. So 3-tap is something Beast Trader showed me years ago.
Right.
If you're looking at a level, say I want to take a short right here at this EMA level.
Yeah.
If you're not sure of when to get in, count the taps. So as it goes to that area, if it taps it twice and it doesn't go above it, then you take the short.
I see.
Same thing if it's going down. If it's going down to the EMA, the VWAP level, if you see it tap it and it doesn't go through after 2 taps, the third tap you buy it.
They take long, so I got.
That's because I was struggling with entry, and once Beast showed me that, I was like, game changer. After that, I got all the good trades after that. But you gotta watch it though. You gotta watch it. If you look away and turn back around and it's already there, you done lost count. You don't know how many times it tapped since then.
Right. Okay.
Okay, this makes so
That was good. That was good info right there.
Yeah, no problem. I thought I said that on one of the lives.
You might have, but I probably missed it.
I probably said it on one of the lives.
Yeah, it was probably 2 months ago.
Yeah, it's just so much.
It's been a long time. Yeah.
And you're recording this, right?
Yeah, it's recorded.
All right, cool.
And that's the crazy thing about trading. Like when you get so used to certain things, it's just like second nature. And I gotta remember, y'all don't know certain things that I do. You know what I'm saying? Like I gotta remember to say certain things.
Yeah, because I'm so hesitant on NQ because of the tapping it does versus ES.
Yeah. Yes, yeah. GC and NQ would tap way more. ES is more like tap, sit here for a little bit, go down for a little 10, 20 seconds, tap again. I'm like, ES, I can't do ES.
I love ES, as you know, but NQ, the fact that so 1, 2, and then just go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it happens
That's
fast
good
with NQ.
Yeah.
Are we talking on the same candle if it taps it twice?
Yeah, same candle, yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yep. That's just one of those things, as far as entry, it's like, okay, I want to wait for it to get to here. All right, I tapped it once, tapped it twice, it didn't go past it. So that third tap, I'm taking the short. And more than likely it works. You just got to be able to count them taps.
Hey, well, I see the Saturday recordings, but the ones that we do during the week, I don't know where to find those at.
Oh, hold on, I'll pull it up. Oh no, that's calculator. Let's see. Right here. So I have a practice and trade room. That's where you see where you can log in and over here, and then Saturday practice videos. I think I moved it up here though. Trade room recap. There we go. I moved it up here because I had to separate them instead of having them all in the same place. So I have trade room recap.
Oh, those are the weekday ones. Okay.
Yeah, these are the weekday ones.
Perfect.
Gotcha. Appreciate it. Yep.
No problem. Yeah, because at first I had it under Saturday practice videos. I was like, that's too many things in
Confusing.
one area. So, but yeah, there it is. All right, it's 9:05, and I think we got news at 10 o'clock also. Yeah, we have 10 o'clock existing home sales.
Report opinion on tariffs.
Yeah.
Got the C. Moran speaks.
Yeah, and that's crazy. Like over here, you don't see anything.
Crude oil.
You know what I'm saying?
Also.
On Forex Factory, they're just yellow.
Mm-hmm.
But on US.Econo Day, existing home sales is definitely there. Petroleum.
All right, I just sent over Financial Juice. This is another website that is an auto update
Financial
system.
Juice? Cool.
Yeah.
Let me look at that one. Let me pull that up too.
Just ignore that one. Just click the X.
Yeah. Okay, and
But
this
yeah,
is
on the
another
left hand
website.
side. Yeah.
Now,
Left hand
is
side.
this an international one?
Yeah, yes,
yeah,
no.
it's international. That's what.
Yeah.
That's what I like about this one, because this one is international. So like when we were live last night, and the guy was like, "Japan, there's some news on Japan at blah 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 time." He was looking at the international time news.
Yeah, you can actually turn that off on the top right, the little funnel shape. Excuse me.
What's that site again?
He put it in,
Juice, I put it in the
group
chat.
chat. Financial Juice is in the group chat.
Thank you.
I use the free. I don't sign up or anything.
Yeah, how do you get rid of that?
I don't have a sign in.
Oh, you got to sign. Yeah, oh yeah. Let me see.
Yeah, no.
I'll
it's
just fill it out. I'll fill it out later.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's. I guess you fill that out and it's free. It's still free.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's for people that trade at night. This is a good site for people that trade at night because it shows you the news for other countries as well. That's very important when you trade at night.
And the cool thing is it updates news if it happens on if you're talking to some kid on who's trying to say X was the way to go. This will update if anything pops up on X, pops up on here also.
Yeah, he was adamant about that.
Yeah, that was funny.
I was like, go to X then. Like, I'm not gonna argue with you. he was like, I'm up $1,200 a month. I was like, yeah, I'm up $1,200 today. Like, I don't know why money mattered. What news was better? Like, no, he added that just for the heck of it. Like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
There it is.
Order filled.
Let's see what it does.
Go down.
Y'all see GC falling apart?
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Finally.
Yeah, I wanted it to come down. I was like, it needs to come down. It needs to come down. I got, ooh, there we go. There's that bounce on NQ I wanted. There we go.
With
Got
you.
that
Let's
good
go.
bounce on NQ. Look at that. Look at that bounce. I took that thing right now.
Right there.
Yeah, got a good bounce on NQ.
Dessert.
Don't give me that money.
Let's go, fella. Come on.
You're gonna lock that in, lock that money in.
It started going up. Okay.
Yeah, I took it right there.
Let me hear it.
And just to
Here.
be
Yeah, look at that good bounce.
Yeah, I got a piece of that. It was making me nervous though, because it stalled for a second.
It made me a little nervous, but you know. And that's what I'm saying, when you see a trade, take a trade. You know what I mean? Everything's gonna be a little scary at times, but that's how you learn. If you see it's still a good trade, right? Don't just take random trades. Don't just jump in at random spots. But if you see a good trade, take it, because especially, in simulation or eval, not PA. Don't just take it on the PA, but take it in eval or simulation. That way you see, okay, that did work, and you look at what happened around it. The reason why I took that trade was because the last time it touched it, it couldn't close on the other side yet. You know what I'm saying? So it bounced and closed above it over here, but when it came back down to it, it couldn't close on the other side. And then it went all the way up here. So it still gave itself a good distance. So I was like, all right, the next time it come down there, I'm gonna buy it. And as soon as it came down, I bought it. Because until it closes on the other side, it's still resistance. It's just you don't really know when it's gonna close on the other side. And that's the scary part. But take the trade, write down why you took the trade. Okay, it hasn't, the last time it was here, it didn't close below, and it went pretty high before it turned back around. Write it down, write down a little paragraph per trade. That way you get a good understanding of why you took it. And now cool, next time that happens, I'll feel more confident taking it.
Order filled.
But you write those down so that you can see what you did and why you made good money that day or that week or that month. But you take those trades on your evaluations, because the whole purpose of an evaluation is not just to prove to them that you can trade, but it's also to test out some of the strategies, some of the skill sets, work on your stop loss, your target, and just really get good with trading before you get to a PA. Because you don't want to rush the process, hurry up and get a PA, and you didn't learn anything on your eval. You just threw a Hail Mary and passed. Because all you're going to do is lose the PA anyway, because you didn't learn anything. So I want you to take educated trades with your evals, so that once you get a PA, you already did the research and practice. He said, is London and New York are a different story? Yeah, it's a different story, because the thing is with the Asian market, when you place a trade, even if you make money, say you'll make $100 on a trade, you'll only get 80 of it. It's like, that's why I don't like trading at night that much.
Order filled.
The fill rate is just not good. Like, fill my order, please. They always give you less money.
I'm sorry, NQ's doing?
What's that?
Be right back.
NQ is back down there again.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I didn't take it again, but you see, it's still resisting. It's still supporting it. It hasn't broke down through it. The only reason why I didn't take it again was because it just bounced there the previous candle, but it's still a good trade. But I just it just bounced twice already, so I don't normally like taking the third bounce off of a level. It got two good bounces. I was like, all right, I'm good on that. But as you see, it's still working. So get your bread.
Now, would you take it when it went past it? Would you take it going? Would you make a trade going on the way up? See if it hits going coming back up.
Yeah, you can do that too. Yeah, and when it bounced down a little bit on the way up, then I would have bought it and took it up, continued up.
Got it.
Yeah, but it's just a rule of thumb for me. I just don't like taking a trade if it hit more than twice, because it gets weaker every time it taps it. Especially when it's the very next candle came back to it. Now, if it would have came all the way back up here and then came down, then I definitely would have took it again. But yeah, I wanted it to come up here because we got the S1 and the VWAP just literally sitting right on top of each other. If it would have came back up here, oh, I'm taking that.
Order filled.
And you see GC has not been able to close below that VWAP. It dipped below it considerably, but it hasn't been able to close on the other side of it. So I'm waiting for it to close down here I'm waiting for it to close down here somewhere. So if it closed down here, I'll take a short from the VWAP, or I'll take a long from this right here. That's like a pretty significant long, but the better long would be R1. If it come down to this R1 again, that'd be the better one to take a long at than right here at 36.4. Because the market structure is really not structured to be worried about. The only
Your
time I
camera
worry about
froze.
market structure is if I see like big candles or multiple of the same color going down. But yeah, right now it's basically like a Christmas tree. You know what I'm saying? Green, red, green, green, red. Like it's not really any kind of structure going on. We got 15 minutes before the open. New candle just opened and you just still struggling. Yeah, I haven't been in John's group as much because by the time I get off of here, I just don't feel like trading no more. I get off of here, I'm like, I might go in John group for a little bit and then come back.
Yeah, I haven't been on it either.
Yeah, because normally I get enough money on this live, then I'm like, okay, well, there's really no need to. I go over there just to holler at him, chop it up with him a little bit. But we still going to Vegas. He said the second week of May.
I might be. Hopefully, my house will sell by that time, and I'll be back in fucking Southeast Asia.
I know that's right.
I'll leave in 2 weeks. Philippines for a month and Vietnam for a month.
Nice.
Come back, put my house on the market, and hopefully be done.
Go right back over.
Yep.
Yeah, I got one of my friends. He's in Thailand. He's been there for 2 years, 2-3 years, and that's that's how he does.
I looked
trade.
at Thailand too, but they're I think they're getting sick of the tourists because all the young kids come up there and start fucking around.
Yeah. I mean,
They're not going to
it.
confuse you with a young kid, Mark.
What's that? Oh, you have no idea. I still party on the weekend.
I know, but you look 900. Hey, do that
Manny,
589.
your camera's frozen.
It's got a faster
I look good
GPU.
for my age.
Yeah, but I helped him get his 100% disability with the military. And as soon as he got his 100%, he took off. It's like, I'm gone.
Dude, I just got mine.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, he got his 100%.
Amen to the 100% club.
On top of my other shit, I'm fucking golden.
Welcome. welcome. Yeah, but he got his. He was like, I'm leaving America. I'm out. He trades too. So he over there trading in 100% disability with the military. So yeah, he got a nice little condo and everything.
That's what I'm trying to plan.
Yeah, he said he
Set
ain't
myself
coming
up
back.
for it. So
Said he ain't coming back. He is gone.
Toxic Juan just sent me a message. He found me a laptop. 65% off. It used to be $1,699. Now it's $579.
I mean, if you have a VPS, I think he found you a computer for trading. That don't need a VPS. Do you trade with a VPS?
Not yet.
Okay. Now, if you don't trade with a VPS, that's a good computer.
Yeah, well, he doesn't have a VPS yet, and he's procrastinating. So I'm getting him one that'd go either way.
Okay.
And for the price, you can't beat this one. It's got a i7 Ryzen on it with 7705. So it's going to be faster than that old man can click a mouse.
I don't know.
So that one's good whether you have a VPS or not. Because I was like, if you have a VPS, it has the good thing about a VPS and being overseas is it has its own internet. You know what I'm saying? So you just need enough to log in.
Right.
So that way you don't have to worry about internet drops. because I don't know how the internet is in other countries.
Well, I'm still gonna do that. So
yeah, so VPS, no matter what, VPS is still a good thing to have. But yeah,
I
having
guess
a
it wouldn't
fast
matter
computer
as
is
long
always
as
a
you
good
got that
thing.
Starlink overseas also.
Yeah.
The thing I noticed, Will, with the better computers, your actual computer CPU stays cooler and you're not running as hard, even though you're utilizing that VPS, your upload off your computer to keep that VPS active. It seems like when I would use my other computer, my CPU temps get up and I see a little more on the GPU side.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So
yeah, because that's what I have. I have a gaming laptop, and then I have a cheap laptop that I use for literally just trading. Because they're like the cheap laptop, I don't stream on it or none of that. But I trade like right now when I'm at home, I trade off of a desktop because it has like 64 gigs of RAM. But when you trading and streaming, I need all the RAM I can get.
yeah, I'm getting ready to build the desktop.
Ooh, yeah. This desktop is no joke. I like them because you could always upgrade and update and add stuff. Like laptops, you can only do so much.
Time I get done with it, they're gonna have to put a power plant next to my house just to keep it in its power.
I know that's right.
We'll have
Its own
stacked
personal
RTX
AC unit.
6090s.
Man.
Hey James, what do you recommend for 3 screens? Will it still fit in my bag?
You don't need 3 screens. Just get that one that I sent you, that single screen. That's all you need. It's more than enough.
Got it.
Anything more than that, you're going to start having hinge issues with your laptop and everything else.
You know what I do?
Just,
when I travel, this is what I use.
I just like to have NQ on one side and gold on the other side.
Yeah.
But with the 2 screens, you'll be able to do that.
Yeah, this is what I use. This is my travel screen. I just have one screen. I just want to have one screen when I travel. I don't. You don't need a bunch of them. You know what I'm saying? You just have a laptop screen and one extra screen, and it's small, nice and small, fits everywhere.
Amazon's got a screen for $90, Will, that clamps onto your existing, and it's a 15:6 screen that keeps everything on the same plane, and it's a single wire connection.
Nice.
Send me that link.
Yeah.
You got that link, homie.
You already got it.
I just hit Windows left, Windows right.
It's with the mouse and everything else.
Yeah, when I travel,
Oh,
I traveled once and only had one screen, and I was just so frustrated. I was like, "Oh, I got to get another one," because I'm used to looking at 4 of them.
Oh yeah, no, I got a little 14-inch.
Yeah. I got a little. That's what I got. A little 14
Windows
inch.
left, Windows right.
Yep. Got a little 14-inch when I travel, and I'm like, I'm good with that because it's so skinny, it's so small. It fits right next to my laptop in my bag.
Mm-hmm. Fits perfectly on the center dash of my F-150.
That's where my iPod. Yeah, I got an iPad Pro 4 13-inch, the new big one.
Yeah,
and I got one of those mag tags on my dash. I just set it there, and then I got a
just watch TV
575 Logitech mouse, and I can trade going down the interstate. Not that I would do anything that irresponsible, but I'm just saying one could.
You could if you wanted to.
As somebody who's flown planes and raced cars many years, and a previous teacher, I'm not going to call him out, who's like, make this work, who only trades New York session.
Yeah.
I tried the trading while on the move. Not easy. Not easy. Can you do it? I'm sure. Is it worth it? Heck no.
Yeah, when I was working, I traded every chance I got.
Hey, but remember, I work on a hot tub, so I can't have a laptop next to a customer and electricity and all the other water and everything else I deal with.
Yeah, I literally be at the airport and people be like, they'll walk by. I have my little extra screen up. I'll be at the airport. I get on an airplane, hit my little drop down, be still trading. Like, give me how much is the internet package? I pull up the phone, get the little internet package on the plane. I said I traded every chance I got. If I was on the work site, I'll be sitting right in my truck trading while I'm waiting for the electricians to run wires. Yeah, I'll be in the truck if y'all need me. I ain't about to stand here. Yeah, I traded every chance I got because I was like, I am not gonna work here long.
Yeah.
I got you guys on my iPad. I got you on my iPad, Will, and I got two screens on my laptop. I'm over here doing estimates and bidding jobs on the left, trading on the right, and hanging out with y'all on the far right.
Exactly. Hey, look, I'm telling y'all, whatever y'all need to do, you gotta do it.
Yeah.
And I'm Amazon shopping for Mark off my iPhone.
Just multitasking.
Yeah.
And honest, I mean, to be honest with you, it's like we spend our life working 40 plus hours at a 9 to 5, and then most people come home and don't do nothing. They come home, watch TV. You know, it's like you have to do, if you spend 40 hours plus at a job, at least spend 10 hours doing something that's going to help yourself financially, not just relax. You know, they're not, don't just go home and relax all the time. You know, they come home and do something that's going to help you, you know, financially move in a different direction. 925. What is this jump? It's only 925.
Yeah,
That was a crazy jump.
Contracts.
Crazy.
Yeah, what was that for?
Man.
Switch mic.
See, that's why I don't trade within 5 minutes of the open. Within 5 minutes, I don't even get in the market because crazy stuff like that. Like, why did that jump up? It was no reason for that.
Help me out.
And
To help you out?
I worked a 12-hour
Yeah,
shift.
I got
That's
it
the only
too.
reason why.
Target filled.
Yeah, if he was already in the trade, yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Target filled.
Nice. Yeah, well, that jump was for no reason. I was like, what? I'm looking around trying to figure out why I did that. I don't like quick movements like that in the market. It feels like manipulation. Did Trump say something? Let me pull up Twitter.
Mark, you got mail.
Because I ain't gonna lie, I've made more money with Trump and his antics than anything else. Like, he'll say something crazy. I'm like, he said what? Oh, let me get in this market real quick. And it literally reacts to his every word, and he knows that. And now they trying to find some dirt on Jerome Powell.
Yeah, because people go along with Trump. Yeah. Sorry.
Look, it would get to the VWAP. I mean, to the VWAP right before the open. Like, come on, man. You got the S1 and the VWAP sitting right on top of each other. If it wasn't for the news, that'd be a great short. I mean, not news, but one for the open. That'd be a great short. But I'm not taking that before the open. You can keep that.
Come on, Will. Get Cowboy on it.
I am picking eval right now.
Got it. Perfect.
I got a 250 eval that I could go ahead and throw a Hail Mary with. I just don't recommend y'all do that, you know what I'm saying, unless you just want to take a chance. That's up to you.
You just Will you just yell long or short. That's it. We ain't talking numbers, long or short, buy or
Just
sell.
long or short.
I would hate if you turn into one of those discords.
No, I wouldn't do that. I want y'all to make the safe money. I'm just doing it on the eval because I got to get rid of these 250s.
That's what I'm doing. I'm getting ready to throw it on a 250. I'm loading down to 16 contracts.
Yeah, you got to do something.
We passing or blowing, one of the two.
Yeah, exactly. They just been lingering too long. I'm like,
get rich or die trying. Isn't that what they said?
Get rich or die trying.
50 said it best.
He did. Yeah, but if you already got PAs and everything like that, like I just don't like my evals lingering too long.
Hey, this deal right now with Apex, none of those are one-day passes, though, right?
With Apex,
the new 80% off.
I haven't even looked at it. I haven't looked. They normally have a one-day pass. They normally don't. You know, during a sale, they normally add that in every sale. But I would have to look at it.
I didn't see it in any of the verbiage.
And I know on Lilu, if you guys get the Lilu accounts, you have to pay like an extra $1 to pass faster. So Lilu will ask, do you want to pass in a day? And you have to pay like an extra $1 to do that. I made that mistake. I passed one. I passed it in 2 days. They was like, yeah, you didn't pay that $1. I was like, What dollar? Like, why would y'all charge for that? They're like, if you want to
And do
pass
you
it
just
today,
have to-
we need $1.
So what happens after that then?
Well, if you pass and you just got to take like, they just said take like small trades until you hit the max days. I think it's like 8 days or something like that. So I just went in micros and did like $25, $30 in micros every day.
Gotcha. Okay.
Because you have to hold it a certain, I guess they want you to hold it a certain amount of time. So I didn't want to take it in minis and I got to hold it for a whole minute. But in micros, I could hold it for a minute, 2-3 minutes without a problem.
Fair.
But yeah, you just pay $1 and you can pass in a day. Like, y'all just need to add that to the whole plan anyway.
Don't you have to trade those Lilu accounts for like a month before they're eligible for payout, though?
Yeah. And I think that's on a straight to fund it. All right, market is open. Market
Everybody's
is open.
buying.
I think that's on a straight to fund it. And if you think about it, by the time you pass an eval and then make enough money to get your first payout, it's going to be about a month anyway. So I guess they're like, look, you straight to fund it. Take a month. Take your time.
It's showtime.
It is definitely showtime.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hey, y'all should be trading unless you die to eval.
Oh my god, ain't that ballsy.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get rid of a 250, y'all. Do not be trading within that 5 minutes of the open market. I don't recommend it.
We're out of 10. Do not recommend it.
But the longer these 250s sit here, I got to keep paying every month, and I'm not trading them as much as I should. I'll be trading my PAs more, so I'm like, man, let me get rid of these things. And with Apex having a little $35 reset, if I blow it, I just pay the $35 to reset it. Not that serious. There we go.
Hey,
there we go. There we go. Yeah.
Got DD's trade going on.
Yeah, I just had to get rid of it. I got to get these passed. That's the only reason why I took that trade, is so I could get it passed. But yeah, just keep it simple. We're just trying to pass an eval that's been lingering. I had this 250 for like 3 months, so I'm like, I gotta get rid of this.
Order filled.
Well, I did get 350. I'm happy. I'm good. I don't care. I gotta keep going back and forth to school. I gotta get some money now.
Give me my money now. You see it bounced off the S2, so that would have been a good trade, because we're at 32 now. Like, I don't like trading within the first 5 minutes of the open, but really the first minute, like the minute before and the minute after, I treat it just like the news. You don't want to be in a trade a minute before or a minute after the open. But technically 9:35, when that new candle pop up, that's when I feel as though it's safe to really take trades based off the levels that you see. Because within that first 5 minutes, it doesn't really abide by too many levels. But that S2 is still strong, so that's where I got out of the trade, with the S2. And that's the thing, when you guys are looking to get out of a trade, I use the levels. So if I take a trade, if I take a short, I normally look to get out of that short at the next area of support. If I take a long, I'm looking to get out of that trade at the next area of resistance. That's one way you can gauge it as well. Or you could go on a price point. My target is 200, so as soon as I get 200, I'm getting out, no matter where it's at.
Order filled.
Look at that turnaround. Look at that thing turn around.
Now, I hope y'all not just clicking buttons, just taking random trades.
Nope.
Nah, I
Please
got
tell me you're taking a trade for a reason.
On ES.
I'm on Sim.
Okay. Yeah, GC just bounced off the R1. Nice.
Warm up.
Like, look at GC. It bounced off that R1 so smooth. Like, it was no heat taken. It was a touch that it bounced up.
Order filled.
More buyers.
Break it.
I used to be a 25K girly. I'm really I like 50K a lot better.
Like the
50K is a lot
50K.
better. Yeah.
Yeah, I like the
A lot
the
more
50Ks
cushion.
as well.
Yeah. I don't 25. No.
Break it.
Filled.
Break it.
Order filled.
There it
Yeah,
is.
that S1, that was a nice little bounce off the S1. I've been waiting for that one all day.
Come on, you gonna go past me or what?
Order filled.
Somebody
Pick him up. Pick him up. He's cold. He at the bus stop. He's cold.
Order.
Gotcha, bitch.
All right, let's get ready.
Yeah, look, gotta get right. I'm snatching them up. It's bouncing off that S1 so smooth.
And the VWAP a little bit. I might do a retrace of the VWAP.
You're on the. I was wondering.
It bounced off that S1 so smooth, man. I've been waiting for that all morning. And I told y'all too. I was like, this S1, you walk up here, you're gonna limp back. Look at it. I've been waiting for that S1 all morning.
Order filled.
Not what I wanted.
Stop filled.
Look at that. Good money.
I missed that one. Ain't coming back. Ain't coming back.
Yeah. I didn't reiterate it, but earlier this morning, that's what I was waiting for, the S1, because it's been down here for a while. So I finally got the S1. I got my money, got on up out of there.
Money back.
Okay, that account is 300 from a payout. I ain't gonna risk that. I'm good.
Order canceled.
Nothing. Overnight low?
The open broke through it.
It did eat it up. Yeah.
I mean, not saying it won't work, but I still like the S2 better.
Okay. I got
only because it just broke through the overnight low.
Yeah, it did eat it up a little bit. Oh no, Will.
I mean, not saying it's not gonna work. I just don't trust it.
Yeah, it's little it's dancing right now.
Yeah. It probably still work. I just don't trust it enough to say take it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It did all right. I ain't take it though.
Yeah. That's say a level is still a level. It's just because it just broke through it. Like if it would have went up a little bit and stayed like 1 or 5-10 minutes, then came down. Yeah, but I'd rather take the S2 or this 1 hour level down here.
I see it right there at 6.99, whatever it is.
Yeah, I'll take that one.
Yeah, I got the mark.
Yeah, see, it's perfect right there. Yeah, 60.0, 60.00. Yeah, see, that overnight low is still a strong level. It's just as far as me telling you to take it, yeah, I like S2 or this one better. But you see, it worked.
Y'all pressing buttons, boy. God, no.
Tranquilo.
Holding. Close.
But that 3 taps, it tapped that mud 3 times, didn't go too far past it.
I got to work on that 3 taps a little more.
Yeah, John showed me that about 2-3 years ago. I was like, man, ever since then, I was like, oh, my entry's been smashing.
Here it comes right back down.
Yeah, because you see, it's a 43% long, 56 short. It's like, all right, that's not helping me at all.
No.
And divergence ain't even stepped in the building yet. Hold on, is my divergence even working? Divergence ain't even stepped in the building yet. What's going on here? This is how I reset it. I hit OK. I'll change it a little bit, and I'll go to it again and go back to RSI.
What's that mean buy or sell? What's that mean buy or sell? Pink.
What the noise?
Pink, the color.
Oh, pink is a short. Woo, man, 158 on a short. Lord.
Too late. I missed that. I ain't doing it now.
Yeah, I ain't doing it now. Yeah, pink is a short. Yellow is a buy. Yellow and green are buy. You see, look at it going short. Look at that.
Yeah.
Ooh wee. 158 contracts gonna definitely move something around.
I'm gonna wait to see what this S2 does now. I'm gonna see what it does now.
Order submitted.
Okay, that's a dub on that one.
I might sell the overnight low now. Damn, too fast.
Order submitted.
Okay. Yeah, took it back up. That closure below the overnight low was not that big of a closure. That's why it went right back through it, because that's not a lot of space of a closure.
I guess I'm going to Lilu.
I like for it to close a little bit lower before I use that as a resistance level. That barely closed below it. That's a small closure below it. Oh, somebody say Lilu? You going to Lilu?
Yep. Because I just blew a take profit.
Order filled.
Oh.
Lilu.
Good old Lilu.
Of course she danced.
Yeah, right now on Lulu they have on straight to fund it, but it's like $149 for one right now.
What is this order price? Oh, I tried to get out a short. Yeah, at a profit. It wouldn't let me get out. Now I got out. Get me out of this trade.
So you go to the bundle. You go to the bundle accounts, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then what?
You just pick which bundle. Did you get an email? Check their email, because they normally have a deal through an email. Even if I have a discount code, their discount is usually higher.
Order.
Gotcha, bitch. Oh, it's a monthly. $280 a month.
Filled.
Gotcha, bitch. Yeah, I guess I'm not doing that.
It's bounced off that 1 hour. That 1 hour triple threat is shot down below it. I will wait for it to get back to it if you're gonna buy it. Wait for it to go back up to it. See where it closes at. So on the way back up, that's when I will buy it up. Right now it's dipping down a little bit, but I will wait for it to go back up before I decide to buy it. Because remember, if it closes below that yellow line, I will look for a short. So we got right at a minute 50 before we decide where it's going to close at. So remember that big old trade that they put in was 158 contracts on a short.
Hello, seems good is dumping.
And honestly, there's really not a lot down here stopping it from going lower. All these little dotted lines are just swings. They're just swing levels. So there's no real major level that's stopping it from going lower. Yeah, all these levels down here are just swing levels.
Divergence on NQ. Oh no.
They got me on it. on this. It tore my ass up now.
So yeah, if it decides to close below this yellow line right here, it's not too much stopping it from continuing down. Because as I said, these levels, they're still levels, but they're 1 hour swing lows. They're strong, but they're not that strong. You know what I'm saying? It could still break through. And then we still got news at 10 o'clock. So and they just did a 63 contract short on NQ. So they're still trying to push it down. What other accounts do I have to trade?
What's that?
Order submitted.
This is GC. Ooh, GC. Where you at, GC? GC is like, I'm going down. I missed a good trade off of this right here. That would, ooh, divergence. Divergence is popping up on the GC. NQ just said, forget it. Forget about it. we closed below it. We closed below it.
Fuck.
Order filled. Order filled. Target filled.
Now see that even though this is a 1 hour swing low level right here, this little dotted yellow line, it still respects it to get a little bit of trade from it. I wouldn't try to take a long trade off of that. Zeke say he's done for the day. All right, Zeke. Zeke say he's done. Cool. Hope you got your bread.
Man, Zeke be in and out of here.
He said, well, I'm gone. Well.
Order canceled.
Time to go to work myself. See you, everybody.
Hey, cool. That's what's up. Get your money and go get some more money. I got a couple more PAs that got to get taken care of.
My time remaining just stopped working.
Your what?
The clock time remaining has been.
Oh, yeah. You could right click on there and go to reload historical data. It should pop back up. Who's going on there? What y'all doing over here? Oh, somebody put it a 99 contract buy. Somebody matched it with an 85 contract short. It's like, not yet.
I got out.
Not yet. Get back down. I was trying to take a short off of this this triple threat right here, this little yellow line. I was trying to take a short off of that, and it won't go back up there to get me a short. It's fighting it.
Gotcha, bitch.
All right, got a quick 100 off of that one. You look at that, nice little bounce off of that one. Hope y'all got it.
Yes, sir.
All right, outstanding. See, and that's what I mean by a considerable amount. It closed a good distance from it. So now I'm like, all right, I'll trust to take that when it comes back up there. And look at that, it tapped it. You took a little bit of heat and then it dropped. You could have got, what's that, about 100, about 200, 300 off of that?
Yeah, about 3.
Yeah.
It ticks.
You gotta trust the education.
I'm gonna do one more trade hard today. I got one more trade today.
Now, one more trade. Let me get one more trade.
Nah, I took 2. The lost 2, 1, 2. I gotta get at least like at least 3 to 3.
Okay, I can dig it.
Target filled. Order filled.
Gotcha, bitch. Yeah. Bought that on up. That's 2. Well, S2. S2.
Who's it going?
Yeah, cause I traded on my Lilu. I traded the Lilu ones last night, so they're good. Cause you know you got to trade Lilu a certain amount of days. So always make sure you keep track of how many days you traded what. Okay, we go 32.
This one.
Order.
Gotcha, bitch.
I'm just getting quick $50, 50 to 100, because these are like some of these are new PAs. I'm just padding my PAs. Because I decided to trade all my PAs today. I'm gonna trade all of them. You know, see, look at G. If y'all are on GC got a nice little divergence bounce. It was close enough to that zone right here. Just a gap. This little gap right here. Divergence popped up right next to the gap. You could have bought it from there back up. For those of you that are trading gold. I hope y'all was able to find that 1 hour gap back here.
Hold on, is that news at 9:50, man? The Fonzie report at 9:50.
I don't know. I know it's 10 o'clock.
It says 9:50 on my screen. It's
somebody in the Fed's talking.
Oh, yeah. You talking about Anna Paula?
Yeah, it's on it right now.
Oh yeah, it wasn't a red folder. It was just them talking.
I just looked at it and said, "Hold on, is something going on?"
Oh yeah, Anna Paulson. 10 o'clock is where I would be concerned.
Yeah.
Because you got existing homes, business inventories. You got Stephen Moran speaking, all at 10 o'clock. So yeah, I was like, oh yeah. And then 10:30 was petroleum. So that's why I was getting my quick short pops before the news, because after 10 I'm probably not trading.
Mm-hmm.
Get my bread and get the heck on. Man, he moving and grooving today. Whoa,
right.
153 short on NQ. Hey,
don't play with it. Don't do that.
Hey, hold on now. Hold on now.
They lied. They lied.
They lied.
They lied. Oh, my heart, man, bro.
They ain't lie that much.
Order filled.
Yeah. 76. Stop loss.
How long does it normally take for this thing to recalculate?
Oh man, yours is still recalculating?
Yeah.
It shouldn't take that long. Maybe a couple minutes. Maybe a couple seconds, really.
Well, actually, it's been like 5 minutes.
Oh yeah, if you want a couple minutes, yeah, we gotta. Yeah, I don't know why they did that.
I need to switch from this computer that I'm using to my other one, because the other one has that i7 Ryzen that I didn't know about. You told me about, so I need to switch my operations from this desktop to that one.
I mean, you got to re-download everything on the other one. Whoo, buddy.
Yeah. But I think it's this computer that's messing me up.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Was this laptop I got to buy?
Yeah.
Redoing everything again.
Yeah, that once again, that's why VPS has always got the best option, because you don't have to keep resetting. You get a brand new computer, just download the same remote desktop.
So I should basically get the VPS first.
Order filled.
Like on this computer, I should probably get it anyway. Obviously.
Yeah. I mean, I would get it regardless.
Yeah, it's just the computer. There's no way in the world it should take this long.
Yeah, it shouldn't take that long, at all.
So I'm gonna figure out how to download everything to this other computer.
36 and 37. 36 and 37. I'm gonna add another contract to these. Yeah, see that?
Will, do you
Look,
have
I
that?
told y'all on the
that
way down, it's bouncing off of these levels. So on the way down, it's bouncing off this 1 hour swing low. That's what's fighting it right now. You got the 1 hour swing low, and you have the VWAP level all right there, and it's just bouncing. It's trying to go down because it did close below this triple threat, the 1 hour triple threat. It closed below it, so it's really not a lot stopping it from continuing down. And if you look at time and sales, you'll see it's a bunch of orange that they're trying to continue pushing it down. It's more orange than anything else. So they're trying to get it down there. It's just struggling to pass this swing low. Oh, Carla left.
I think so,
done.
yeah.
Well, I was done, but I got this short.
What happened was
was calling.
Order filled.
Hey,
what
listen,
happened was
72 ticks. I had to get it. 70
Was
ticks. I had
like,
to get that one.
Andon, don't forget me, Andon.
I forget you. I was get these trades though.
and it said what happened was
It looked too good. Had to take it.
Yes, my.
And my theme is like, I'm a sore loser. Losses happen, but it is what it is. That's just me.
Get down. There we go. Get down. Can I get down?
And that's just why I switched to 50K, because I'm like, you know what? I need a little bit more cushion. Yeah, it's a lot better. It's a whole 100% better.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. Like sometimes you gotta know how you trade. As I said, my homeboy, he can't do small accounts. Yeah. He cannot do small accounts. He went straight to the 300s. He was like, I can't do these little 50s, 25 and 50s.
Damn, it finally popped. Nope, it still ain't counting. Yeah, I gotta switch machines.
Yeah, NQ, boy, they are pushing that thing down.
Order filled.
Gotcha, bitch. Come on down here. You want to go down? Yeah. You want to go down? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it down. You want to go down? We going down, buddy. Buddy.
Those are good. Do I want to risk another PA?
No.
Good answer.
If you got to add risk, don't risk it. Don't risk it.
I mean, these are pretty bad. They're close to being blown. Like I want to babysit them or just.
Oh, they close to being blown? Hut one, hut two.
What shit? Let's do? Run it.
No. If you,
Hey
if
man,
you can bring it back, man. Bring them back. Take them. Take the time.
Don't play.
No, I'm just playing. If they're salvageable, try to salvage them.
They're not too bad, but I did 3 trades, lost 3, won 3. So I'm gonna call it a day, man. I'm 3 for 3. I'm gonna call it.
Look at all this, boy. They trying to push. They are trying to push it down. They are not playing with NQ.
Order filled.
Hey.
Cha-ching. Man, don't tell me y'all trying to go down now. I'm gonna take it. Yeah. You trying to go down? I'm gonna take it down.
Order filled.
They pushing it down. Hey, hut one, hut two.
Yeah.
Don't throw them PAs up there.
They pushing it down. Yeah, I'm trading these PAs. Shoot, take it. You want to take it down? I'm gonna take it down. I ain't scared of this market.
What Otis say? Take it down, boy.
About to take it
Go
down.
on, bring them PAs back to life.
Yeah, go bring the PAs back to life.
Y'all be cool, man.
We got 51 seconds on the closure. Let's see where it closed at. But I told y'all once it closed below that, this little what's 5, this little area right here. I knew once it closed below this 660, I was like, is nothing really stopping it from continuing down. That was just my analysis for the day, and apparently it proved right. 25 seconds on a new candle. Just hold off a little bit. And even though it says 78% chance of a long, they were just putting way too many time and sales orders in. It probably would have went long if they wasn't pushing it down. These are market makers. There are people whose job is to push the market. Look at that! Wow,
Crazy.
Wow,
Now, that's crazy.
What I tell you? I told y'all.
I'm calling JP Morgan right now.
I told y'all. Once it closed below that triple threat, down is the way.
Sabotaging the market.
Order filled.
That's
Ties
crazy.
in the funk.
Order.
Was it home sales and then Moran and
Hey, I'm over here getting it.
And they just sent my email talking about activate my new PA.
Filled.
Hey, I told you I was like, once it goes below that, bro, ain't nothing. Don't move up too fast. Chill out on the cha-chings.
That's the first time I heard Gabe's voice. Hey, Gabe.
Gabe in the building.
Hey, Miss M.
I have never heard
buddy.
him.
Yeah, buddy.
I've never heard it.
Buddy. I'm trying to tell y'all. Did I not call today? I told y'all once it closed below that 660, it's a wrap. them little 1 hour swing lows ain't strong enough. They are literally getting strong armed. Even though it says 87% chance of a long, the market is like, I do not care.
Order filled.
Down is the way. Look for a good area, take it down. Wait for it to come to a certain area, take it down. Oh man, I'm not gonna get a payout from that account now. I thought it was a 50K account. It was a 25K account. I didn't even know I still had 25K accounts. I made $696 on that. I might still be able to salvage that. I just gotta keep it under 450 for the next couple days. I did not mean to make $696 on that.
Man, that's a good problem to have. Oh man, I made too much money.
Yeah, but I want to get a payout. I don't like being denied payouts. I don't get denied payouts too often because I try to keep it within the area. I just thought it was a bigger account. That was my fault for not looking at the actual number. But yeah, I mean, it's a good problem to have. I mean, it's worse situations. It's slowing down a little bit now, but the only real strong resistance is this line right here. Is at 478. But yeah, that was a good day today. I hope everybody was able to get a little bag or at least learn something.
I learned that my machine ain't worth a damn.
Hey, a L is a L. It ain't got to be a loss. It can be a learning situation.
Order filled.
Yeah. Hey, you still want to give me some money? I'm still gonna take it then. Yeah, baby. You still gonna give me some money? I'm still gonna take it. Can I get one more? Can I get one more?
Order filled.
Come on now, you know you want to go back further. Ooh, what's that? What is that? Ooh, gold. Gold trying to push. Trying to push back up. Okay, gold. Gold trying to push it up. Because it's low. It dropped down low.
Yeah, I got a little bit on gold last night. That's why I didn't have to trade too much today.
Oh, okay. Yeah, gold was moving and grooving.
Order filled.
What? I got out of a trade that put me into a buy. I mean, I'm gonna take it. It's in the green.
Order filled.
Ooh, all right. I closed out in profit and immediately turned around and did a buy. I was like, that's weird. Normally I would be mad, but it was green, so I was like, okay. %90 chance of a long. And gold is 69% chance of a long.
Order filled.
All right, y'all. I'm done. 4-3. See you on Friday, guys.
All right, brother.
All right, bro.
Yeah. I think I got one more trade in me. I would like
Order
gold to get down to
submitted.
that central pivot before I would jump into gold, but it look like gold don't want to go down no further. All right, so far I only took one L today. Not bad.
Did pretty good myself.
Nice, nice. Hope everybody else got some
I
good
mean,
trades in there, got some good money.
All in the green.
Nice.
Yeah, today felt so much better. Just this week of learning has been sharpening my eyes, you know.
Nice. That's
Yeah.
always a good thing.
Yeah. All right, hit my goal. I'm out of here. Thank y'all.
All right, for sure.
Hey, Mr. H, you got any time today to help me with my Lulu account?
Hold on, let me see. Let's see. Pull it up for you. If you're available right when we get off of here, because I'm pretty much done for the day. Anybody got any questions?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm good.
Everybody's good.
Thanks,
Everybody
Will.
got some money or at least learned a lesson today.
Yeah, I learned some stuff. I'm gonna hit you up later, Will.
Okay, for sure. Yeah, we could get on live soon. We could get on the Zoom as soon as I get off of here. Just shoot me your email because I don't remember people's emails. So just shoot me a message, text me your email, and we'll get on live because I do have a Zoom at 12 as well.
Okay, I'll do that now.
All right, guys. I'm about to head on out. The market is pretty much chilling right now. It had a nice little drop. So this is recorded and I will post it later on today. Okay, guys.
All right, y'all be cool, man.
All right, awesome. See you guys Friday.
Peace.
See you guys.
All right, y'all be easy.